Welcome to Nursing Central, your trusted platform for next-generation nursing education. Nursing Central combines trusted content, scenario-based learning, and AI-powered tools in one essential platform, empowering nurse educators to reduce prep time, lower costs, and develop the clinical judgment skills that produce confident, practice-ready nurses. Let me walk you through what's inside. Give your students a solid foundation. Nursing Central delivers authoritative, regularly updated clinical references covering drugs, labs, diseases, medical terminology, and nursing diagnosis. Programs looking to significantly reduce textbook costs can also add a robust collection of peer-reviewed foundational curriculum content at a fraction of the price. Prepare students for real-world patient care. Unbound Scenarios are educator-authored learning experiences that bridge theory and practice. Through a guided journey of realistic patient encounters, students build the clinical judgment skills needed to succeed on the NCLEX and transition confidently into practice. Reclaim your time and personalize the learning experience. With Assist AI, you can create case studies, test questions, and activities in minutes, not hours. Personalize them to fit your curriculum and students' needs, deliver assessments directly in platform, and measure progress with advanced analytics that identify knowledge gaps and drive targeted remediation. Together, these tools make Nursing Central the cornerstone of a modern nursing curriculum, helping you spend less time on preparation and more time cultivating the next generation of confident, practice-ready nurses.